Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about numericals on motion in a straight line chapter. Dear students, before that, those who are watching my videos first time, do subscribe my channel and like the videos and do share the videos with your friends. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about kinematic equations. There are mainly three equations are there. In most of cases, based on these three equations, the problems will come or arise. Okay. Here, let us discuss first one. A car accelerates from 6 meter per second to 18 meter per second in 12 seconds. Calculate acceleration and distance covered. Okay. First, you have to write the given quantities. Here, the given quantities are: a car accelerates from 6 meter per second to 18 meter per second. Here they given initial velocity 6 meter per second, that is taken as a v naught equal to 6 meter per second, and it accelerates in a positive value and reaches the 18 meter per second. That is the final velocity. Here v naught is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, and it reaches the acceleration in 12 second. Okay. The time interval for reaching the acceleration from 6 to 18 meter per second is 12 second. Okay. And they ask it to calculate the acceleration as well as distance covered. Okay. Here first we will find out the acceleration. For finding the acceleration, let us consider the formula v equal to v naught plus at, where v is the final velocity, v naught is the initial velocity. In some textbooks, initial velocity is taken as a u and distance is taken as a x. Both are same here. Here I taken v naught means initial velocity plus at. A means acceleration of a body or particle. T means time interval. Okay. Here using the values, we have the value final velocity, that is 18 meter per second, equal to initial velocity 6 meter per second, 6. Okay. Plus a, write down as it is. Why? Because we are going to calculate the acceleration here. Okay. Then time interval is 12 second. That becomes 12a here. Okay. After interchanging the terms, 18 minus 6, that becomes 12. Here right hand side only remaining is 12a. Then simplifying, 12 get cancels on both side. Remaining is 1. Then the acceleration of a vehicle is 1 meter per second square. And here again they ask to find out the second term, that is distance covered. Here the vehicle is car. Okay. Vehicle is car. Okay. Next, for finding the distance interval, let us consider the formula x equal to v naught t plus half at square, where x is the distance interval. In some textbooks, x has taken as a s. Okay. X equal to v naught t. V naught means initial velocity 6 is there, t means 12 is there, plus half. A means acceleration, already we found that one, that is 1 okay, into t square. T means 12 is there, 12 into 12. Okay, that becomes 144. After simplifying, this term value is 72 and this term value is 72. The total value is 144 meter. Here the distance covered is 144 meter. This is the answer. And let us move to the second one. Here the question is: a bullet moving with a velocity of 100 meter per second strikes a wooden plank. It penetrates the plank to a depth of 20 centimeter before coming to stop. Calculate the average retardation of the bullet while passing through the plank. Here the word plank means nothing but it is like a wooden block. Okay, wooden block is the target here. For that target we are firing a bullet. Okay? A bullet moving with a velocity. After firing, a bullet is moving with a velocity of 100 meter per second. Okay, 100 meter per second. It is the initial velocity here, and it strikes a wooden plank. When it reaches the wooden plank, the velocity goes on slightly decreasing. After covering certain distance interval, the bullet comes to the rest position. Okay, and the asked here, calculate the average retardation. The word retardation means negative value, means velocity decreases. Okay, we have to calculate the negative value, means in the sense acceleration, which is going to slow by decreasing. Okay, while passing through the plank. Okay. First write down the given data, that is initial velocity, means when firing starts, means the bullet moving with the velocity 100 meter per second. Okay, v naught. Okay, and when it reaches the wooden plank after covering certain distance, the velocity 0. Why? Because the bullet comes to the rest position, and distance interval, it travels 20 centimeter inside the wooden block. Convert the value into the meter. Okay, 20 by 100, that gives a 0.2 meter. Then using the formula, here we have to find the acceleration. Okay, the formula is v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. V means final velocity, that is 0, that equal to v naught square, initial velocity 100 meter per second, 100 square. Okay, then plus 2a, a as it is, x means distance interval, that is 0.2 meter. Okay, after interchanging the terms, we will get the acceleration. Okay, a equal to minus 25,000 meter per second square, or you may write it as a 2.5 into 10 raised to 4. 2.5, 1 2 3 4, 4 digit we have to movement. Okay, do the movement, then you will get 2.5 into 10 raised to 4 meter per second square. Okay, here you may express the value in any other way, but the 10 power should be match to the values. And here you are observing the negative sign is there. Okay, this negative sign is nothing but it is a retarding velocity, means we are observing the retarding acceleration. Retardation means decreasing of value. Okay, next we will discuss on third one. Here a car moving along a straight highway with a speed of 126 km per hour is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meter. What is the retardation of the car and how long does it take for the car to stop? Here a car is moving along a straight highway with a speed of 126 km per hour. This is the initial velocity. Okay, you have to write it as a v naught. Okay, then is brought to stop, means final velocity is 0. Here v is 0, and within a distance of 200 meter. Okay, distance interval x 200 meter. Here what is the retardation of the car? Retardation of the car, and how long does it take for the car to stop. Means how much time it will take to stop. First we will find out the retardation, means acceleration. Hmm, using the formula v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. V means final velocity and v naught square means initial velocity. Here the given the initial velocity in a kilometer per hour, that we have to convert it into the meter per second. Okay, let us consider 126 into kilometer. For 1 kilometer we have 1000 meters divided by hour. For 1 hour 60 minute is there, and for 1 minute 60 second is there. Then it has been converted into meter per second. After simplifying, we will get 35 meter per second. That is the initial velocity. Okay. Here, using that 35 whole square plus 2a into x means distance interval 200 meter is there. Okay. After simplifying, we will get acceleration as a minus 3.06 meter per second square. Okay. Here 3.06 is the acceleration value, that is in the retarding order, means decreasing order. Negative sign indicates the retarding acceleration. Minus 3.06 meter per second square. And here again they wanted to calculate the time interval for stopping the here car. They given car. For stopping the car, how much time it will take. The formula is v equal to v naught plus 80. Final velocity is 0. Initial is 35 plus a means already we found that minus 3.06 into t. Here we want time interval. Okay. Interchanging the terms, the minus 3.06 t comes to this side, that becomes positive. 3.06 t equal to 35, then t equal to 35 divided by 3.06, then the value becomes 11.4 second, means the car will comes to rest position after 11.4 second. Next one is the displacement of a particle moving along x-axis given by x equal to 18t plus 5t square. Here 18t plus 5t square is the distance or displacement interval. Displacement. Okay. Calculate a velocity. We have to find out the velocity at t equal to 2 second. We have to use this condition after finding the velocity. Then second one is acceleration. First consider the displacement interval. For finding the velocity, we need the displacement, that is v equal to dx by dt, means d by dt of x means displacement 18t plus 5t square. Let us goes on differentiating the given displacement equation. 18t, after doing the differentiation, that becomes 18, the t value is 1, okay, plus 5t square. Okay, 5 write down as it is, t square means after differentiation that becomes 2t. 5 into 2 10, that becomes 10t. Okay, this is the velocity. Here we have to use the given condition, that is t equal to 2 second. Here substituting the t as a 2 second, then that becomes 10 into 2 20 plus 18, that becomes 38 meter per second. And also we have to calculate the acceleration. Again one more differentiation that gives the acceleration. We have the velocity here, a equal to d by dt of velocity. The velocity is 18 plus 10t. Okay, here 18 constant number that vanishes, remaining is 10t. Okay, after differentiation we get 10. T differentiation value is 1. Okay, 10 meter per second square. This is the required acceleration. Okay, thank you.